Happy holidays, everyone. We are stopping by Disney's Hollywood Studios today to take maybe one last look around at the Muppets area and eat at Pizza Rizzo. If you didn't know, Pizza Rizzo closes so early, so it's hard to get there. But we are going to walk around this area and just see kind of like what's leaving, what's staying. And of course, we'll check out some other Hollywood Studios, Hollywood offerings. So we're at Pizza Rizzo. Let's head inside. Make sure to hit that subscribe. We have so much fun stuff coming up, and I definitely want to share it with you. But back to Pizza Rizzo. If you haven't been here before, there is something really fun. It's on the second floor, and it is a dance party. I call it the preschool dance party because typically it is full of little kids dancing their heart out. But it's actually the wedding of Gil and Lil. You know them, right? It has a disco ball, flashing lights, and a total old school reception vibe. The menu here is basically pizza, but also they have a meatball sub. That's what I always get. Take a close look at these chairs. They are definitely going to be for sale very soon. And also these tables. You're going to want to remember what these look like when they end up at Cast Connections for $5. Outside of this room, they have a couple of these little bulletin boards with some funny posters on. Photos of people having their parties here. And of course, if you need a fish juggler, there's his contact info. Or a plumber, Gonzo's ready for you. Pizza Rizzo is open 7 days a week. They want you to host your event with them in this epic dance hall. The Deluxe Supreme Banquet Hall accommodates up to 150 guests, unless they're rats. Classiest banquet room. Like I said, this is what makes Pizza Rizzo so fun. You gotta head inside and go to this dance party. So currently this area is going to be rethemed into Monsters, Inc. Currently it looks like the buildings will all remain except for the gift shop that's in the middle. So Pizza Rizzo is still here along with the Christmas store, and Mama Melrose looks like it's going to be rethemed to Harryhausen's from Monsters, Inc. These are those buildings, but look on top. Laugh floor? Does that mean that the laugh floor might be moving to Hollywood Studios? So here is a current look at these buildings. So the building that you're seeing on the right, that's the old Muppets gift shop. In the concept art, that building is completely gone. And over there, then that's the Monsters Inc. entrance where Muppets 3D currently is. So this building here, as you can see in the concept art, is completely gone. As this area gets transformed into Monstropolis, what do you think this building will be used for? I'm guessing it's probably going to maintain a quick service restaurant, but probably rethemed into something more like the factory or like the cafeteria that would be at their Monsters Inc. factory. That's my guess. What do you think? It's definitely a feeling of nostalgia walking through this building and just kind of realizing that all of this at some point is going to be gone. But let's jump back over to the Muppets 3D area and just take a look around. So this building is going to remain. And if you look at the concept art, it says something about not all night laughs. So I think this is going to become Monsters Inc. Laugh Floor. I think it's going to be removed from its current spot at Magic Kingdom and brought over here into this theater. As you can see from the concept art, this is the exact same building. So the Muppets will have a new home over at Rock and Roller Coaster. What do you think about that? Is that a good retheming? Would you rather they keep it Aerosmith? I heard for a long time that it was going to be Powerline Max. But apparently they made a deal. Muppets are going over there. So let's take a look at this area. It appears by the concept art that we'll take a look at that the building in the middle, that Muppets gift shop, is going to be removed and will essentially be the walkway. So, of course, this fountain too is going to be removed. Will they move it over to Rock and Roller Coaster area? Maybe. Again, the attention to detail on these buildings is just so fun, giving those Muppet touches throughout the exterior. So this building was for years the Muppets gift shop, and it's really cute on the inside, and the only time you've been able to go in there is when they have like specialty sales, like the Jollywood gift shop is in here. So if you're going to Jollywood, you might be one of the last people that get to go inside this building. With the removal of this gift shop building that opens up this entire walkway, and you can see the back of the current building, which is the exit to Muppets 3D, then opens up into what I think is going to be the show building for the roller coaster. So this building will be gone, this gate will be open, and this building currently of Mama Melrose will be rethemed into Harryhausen's. So as you can see, this area is going to be expanded beyond that fence area. There's lots of concept arts coming out. Not sure where all of this is going to be, but I think that that photo is from the other side where maybe Launch Bay is.
You've got them hidden inside here. That's not fair.
Well, there you have it. There's a look at what currently is there in Muppets Courtyard and the concept art of what it's going to be with Monsters, Inc. Another spot to find some characters is over here at Pixar Alley, which this also closes super early, usually at 5 o'clock. They have added some Christmas decorations, which is a nice touch. Do you remember what this building used to be? Well, originally, it was the home of the Mickey Mouse Club, where they would do the filming for the show. Then it became Toy Story Mania. This used to be the entrance to Toy Story Mania, here where you see the Pixar ball. Across from that, where Edna is now, used to be a meet and greet for Buzz and Woody. But now you can meet several different characters. Today was Sully, Mrs. Incredible. Frozone got bumped from his spot for Joy, and now he just kind of walks back and forth, having random dads screaming, "Where's my super suit?" I heard that about 6 times. There's lots of holiday treats here at Hollywood Studios, and I tried the gingerbread cheesecake. It's at the Backlot Express. It's about $6. It was really good. So this is near the entrance by guest services, and you can find a lot of times randomly special characters. Today, Mary Poppins and Tiana and Naveen. Work it, Mary. I was just leaving and I saw them coming out. So I thought, hey, I better go take some quick video of them. So that is a quick look at Hollywood Studios and the Muppets area, and of course, Pizza Rizzo. I'm sure it's going to be rethemed, and there are speculations of what it's going to be rethemed to because of Monsters, Inc. movies. Welcome to sunny Florida, where the sun sets very beautifully, but boy, is it ever windy today. Hollywood Studios has 2 transportation options. One is the boat that goes to Epcot, Swan and Dolphin, and Boardwalk Beach Club and Yacht Club. The other is going to be the Skyliner. This will also get you to Epcot, but it will also stop at Art of Animation, Pop Century, Caribbean Beach Club, Riviera, and then Epcot. Holidays were always so cool at Hollywood Studios with the spectacle of dancing lights. It ended in 2015. I found this at a thrift store. They wanted $170 for it. A little bit out of my price range, but definitely a reminder of how beautiful the lights were here at Hollywood Studios for Christmas. It's now Galaxy's Edge. So what do you think about all of the retheming with Muppets? Let me know in the comments how you're feeling about the removal of this area, them moving over to Rock and Roller Coaster, and then the Monsters, Inc. plans that we looked at. Also, where's all this stuff going to go? John Stamos? Are you taking it? Who's taking all of this stuff? Maybe it'll end up at Cast Connections with the tables and chairs from Pizza Rizzo. So, what buildings are staying? What buildings are going? What is this going to look like? Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe. See you in the next video.